Hi everybody, and welcome to this hand letter drawing tutorial. And I'm going to use the Tombow ABT for making these 3D brush letters. And I've chosen the word fun, as you can see here. And the 3D effect is very easy to draw. I will demonstrate this for you. And all you need is a brush pen. And for this one I've chosen a light green color. But of course you can choose any color you want. I'm drawing in the word fun. And as you can see, I make some extra curly lines for every letter. So I can use that for my 3D effect. Here an extra mark to make the word fun extra fun. And then you take a fine liner, and that fine liner you use for those parts that are in the shadow. So simply draw in some small lines to help you see what parts are in the back. And then we will draw out the parts that are in the front with a white pencil. I will also demonstrate this. You can use a white pastel pencil, but also a white color pencil will do the trick. Now I go over the green of the Tombow. And I light up those parts that are in front of us. Then you pick up the same Tombow again as you had for putting in the letters. And then you place an extra layer of green on those parts that are in the shadow. As you can see, instantly you get that great 3D effect. Now to make the letters pop out even more, you can take just a simple color pencil, any color you want, and put a little bit of extra color to make those letters pop out even more. Now if you want your letters to float up in the air, you take a graphite pencil and you simply put in a little bit of shadow in between the letters. Then, for that extra special 3D effect, you take your fine liner again and you make a very simple drawing in the background. You can choose any kind of funny face you want and make it a flower or a puppy or whatever you want. But just keep your drawing very simple. And I've chosen this flower. And this flower is very happy. And the leaves of this flower look a little bit like the effect that my letters have. I draw in the leaves in that kind of way, like the flower is waving at us and is having big fun, of course. Well, I hope you will give this a try. It's very fun to do and very easy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.